Well, it's interesting actually that the college has placed great emphasis over the last 2 years, and it is one of the foundations of its literacy, of its learning and teaching strategy, that bilingualism is set or given equal status against literacy, numeracy, sustainability and citizenship. And there's been regular training for staff and learners about the importance of each of those components, if you like. And as a college, in our training days, we've placed great emphasis on the language, and indeed in October 2011 we certainly had an overarching introduction to the importance of the language from Lisa, newly appointed, and we followed that up year on year really with different workshops on our IP Day, Institutional Planning Day, and now we are at a stage where this last October we had staff who were not Welsh speakers who were giving workshops on how they had embedded the language into their sessions, and we're using things like sound files in order to perhaps embed our presentations with the language, the spoken language if you like, which is encouraging those non-Welsh speakers to engage with it.